Hi everyone, this is HM&S video number 15 and you are most welcome for it. Today we want to fix something that has been a nightmare to very many people. Look at this. Here we have months of the year. When you right click, you come to sort, then you do A to Z. It got sorted A to Z. April 1st, August, then it goes on like that up to September. But that's actually not what we want. I'm going to control Z to undo that. We want it to get sorted from January, February up to December. What we are going to learn today is going to help us to fix exactly that problem there. Let's switch on to it and we see the main point of this video. Now we are going to learn how we can create and use custom list in Excel. When I come to cell A3, then I type Monday with a 3-letter abbreviation, Control Enter. Then I come to the fill handle, drag it down. I can see that from Monday it goes to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After Sunday it starts from Monday again. When I also come to cell B3, then I type the 4 letters of January, Control Enter. Again I try to drag it down using the fill handle. Still I get the same thing. January, February, March, April, like that up to November. You can even add up to December. Now the same applies to a 3-letter abbreviation, January, Control Enter, drag and copy it down. The same applies. By the way, even for days when you come here and you type Monday with the 4-letter, then you drag it down. It also works. Now, what happens if I come here, then I type 1, Control Enter, then I try to drag it down. This one did not increment to 2, 3, 4 like that. The same applies when you come here and you type A, Control Enter, you drag it down. It did not also go to B, C, D like that. Now the reason is for the days of the week and the months of the year, they're already created by default in the custom list. Now let's go and check this custom list and we see that the days of the week and the months of the year are already created there by default. To check the custom list, you need to come to File. For some people, depending on the version of Excel you're using, you will find already options among the list here, but for our case, you click on More, then you come to Options. It opens for you the Excel Options dialog box. When it comes to this, you click on Advanced, and then you scroll down until you come to General. Now when you see General, you come to Edit Custom List. Now when you click on Edit Custom List, you can see that already I have some custom list created here. For the case of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with the 3-letter abbreviation, it's already created here. Even the one with 4 letters is here also. Then for January, February, March, 3-letter abbreviations is also here. Then January, February with 4 letters up to December, it's also here. Then it repeats the same. We're going to see how we can create other lists in this custom list dialog box. But for now, let's first click Cancel. And then we click Cancel to come back here now. If you want your letters also to increase from A, B, C, D, like that, you need to go and add it into the custom list. Let's go back to File, come to More, Options. It opens for you the Excel Options dialog box. Actually, I'm going to escape to remove that Excel Options dialog box. The keyboard shortcut to go to the Excel Option dialog box is Alt-FT. Now from here, you simply come to Advanced, then you look for General. Then after General, you click on Edit Custom List. Whatever custom list you want to create, you type it in here, then you add it into the custom list here. Let's see, when I type here A, then I put comma, space, B, comma, space, C, comma, space, D. Now, I've typed A, B, C, D. I want to add it among the list here. You simply click on Add. It's already here as you can see. Now you click OK. Again you click OK. Now when you come here, you click on cell G3. The moment you type A, Control Enter, then you try to drag it down. It will now go to B, C, D. After finishing where we stopped, it started A, B, C, D again. Because A, B, C, D has already been added into our custom list. So I'm going to Control Z to undo that. That is how you can create a custom list. However, our main point of this video is to see how we can sort our data using the custom list. So let's scroll down. Now I have this table here showing school duty roster for the week. Here are the days of the week, and then here are the names of the teachers that are going to be on duty. However, our days of the week are not sorted from Monday to Sunday. We want to sort it from Monday going to Tuesday up to Sunday. So when you right click, you come to sort, then you do A to Z. It's put Friday first, Monday, Saturday, like that up to Wednesday. I'm going to control Z to undo that. What you need to do, you need to use a custom list to sort this. Click on a single cell. We need to go back to the sort dialog box. From the data tab, sort and filter group, you click on sort. Now this is the sort dialog box. Last video we talked about this sort dialog box. I'm going to cancel. The keyboard shortcut to go to the sort dialog box is Alt+ASS. From last video we remembered that we need to make sure that my data as header is selected. Now we are going to sort by days of the week, and we're going to sort on cell values. Now when it comes to order, last video we saw A to Z, Z to A, but we left out the custom list. When you click on the custom list, you go to the custom list dialog box that we saw at the beginning. It also has the one we added, A, B, C, D, that we added before. Now what I want to do first, I want to delete this. So you select it, you come to delete. List will be permanently deleted. It gives you that message. You click OK to delete it. Now that custom list no longer exists because we deleted it. Now when you try to delete the one that was put there by default, it does not allow you to delete it. You can see when you click, the delete option here is grayed out. It's actually not active. So now what you need to do, you simply need to click on the one that is rhyming with your data if it's already there by default. Like for our case, this is days of the week and it's already there by default. You click from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Sunday. You can see from the list entries here, it's from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday up to Sunday. Now once you do that, you simply click OK, and then you click OK, and boom, you can see that our data is now sorted from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Sunday. As you can see, I'm going to control Z to undo that. Now what if you want to sort it from Z to A? You do the same thing. Click on a single cell, Alt+ASS to open the sort dialog box. You click on sort by days of the week. You're sorting on cell values. Now instead of A to Z, you click on custom list. Now you can see that from this list here, we do not have the one that is sorted from Sunday to Monday, but we want to sort this one from Z to A. That's where typing comes in now. You need to come to the list entry here, and then you type it the way you want it to be. Like for our case, we want to sort it from Sunday, comma, you come to Saturday, comma, and then Monday. Now when you are done typing, you click add, and it will be added among the custom list here. Now when you click OK, and again you click OK, your data will now be sorted Z to A, starting with Sunday first and ending with Monday. Now let's see the power of sorting using this custom list. You click on a single cell, Alt+ASS to open the sort dialog box. This time around, we're not sorting on days of the week. Let's sort on teacher. We're sorting on cell values. Instead of A to Z, let's click on custom list. This is the last list that we added there, but you can see that the names of the teachers are not among this list. I'm going to highlight this, delete. Now after deleting, see what happens here. I want to sort the teachers, but I want Chong to come first, followed by Ogwal. Then the rest of the teachers, I want them to be sorted A to Z. So let's see. You need to type Chong first, comma, space, Ogwal. Once you are done, you leave the rest like that. You simply click on add to add it into the list. When you click OK, again you click OK. You can see that Chong came first, followed by Ogwal, and then the rest of the teachers sorted from A to Z. I'm going to control Z to undo that. So now let's see how we can also do the same thing to sort the months. I have the company monthly tour guide for next year. In June next year, we are going to tour India. In April next year, we are going to tour USA. And then in July next year, we are going to tour Uganda. So we want to see how we can sort these months so that we can see clearly from January to December which country we are going to tour. When I click on a single cell, Alt+ASS to sort it A to Z, you can see that it's putting April first, followed by August, December, February, just like that. That's not how we want to sort. I'm going to control Z to undo that. We want to sort it from January to December. Alt+ASS to go to the sort dialog box. I'm going to sort on months. Cell values is okay. Now instead of A to Z, I'm going to go to custom list. you can see that I already have the January, February, March, which is a 3-letter abbreviation from January up to December, as you can see from this preview. You simply click OK, and then you click OK, and boom, our data is now sorted from January to December. Very well, exactly how we want it. Now, what if you want to sort Z to A for this case here? Click on a single cell. I'm going to click on sort to go to the sort dialog box. Click on sort by. I'm going to sort by months, and I'm going to sort on cell values. Then instead of A to Z, you come to custom list. Now, December, November, October up to January is not in this list. We need to type it in. But now to type the entire thing can also take long. So what you can do, you can first list it somewhere in Excel, and then you simply import it into the custom list dialog box. For our case, when you go the way we did it, you cannot import it. As you can see, there is no any option for importing. So I'm going to escape to close it, escape to close the sort dialog box. That's where you need to first go back to the create custom list, then you import your list there, and then after importing your list, you go back to sort now. So you click in a single cell in your data, Alt FT to open the Excel options. You come to advanced, you scroll down until you see under general, edit custom list. Now from here you can see that you already have the option for importing here. Instead of typing it here, you simply need to click here, you highlight the range where the months is sitting. As you can see, I already have it here from December up to January. After that, you click it back, you simply click import, and once you do that, it's already imported. You can see from December, November, October, as you can see from the preview. You click OK, again you click OK. So you have already added it into the custom list. Now let's go and sort using that list now. Click on a single cell, all ASS. My data as header is selected. Sort by, we are sorting by months. On cell values, then instead of A to Z, you come to custom list. Now in the custom list now, we already have the December, November, October, the last one here. You click, and you can see from the preview here, you simply click OK. Again you click OK, and you can see how that is now sorted from December to January. Now this is the same data set we have been using for the last 2 videos showing Pepsi products sold in June 2024. So click in a single cell, all ASS, my data as it is selected. Now in the sort by, we are sorting by regions, cell values, and instead of A to Z, you come to custom list. Now in the custom list dialog box, we want to sort these regions, but the way we want to sort it, we want the northern region to come first. You type there in the list entry, comma, space. Then after the northern region, we want the eastern region to come, comma, space. After the eastern, we want the western region to come, comma, space. After the western, we can now do the central. This is what is called custom now. You are sorting it the way you want it, not A to Z, not Z to A, just the way you want it to be sorted. You simply click add. When you click OK, again you click OK. Now you can see that it is exactly how you wanted it. Northern region came first. After northern region, it came to eastern. After eastern, we need to go to western, and then the central region was last. So lastly, we also want to see whether you can also sort from left to right using the custom list. We have the same data set that we used in the last videos. When you highlight this range, leaving out the table headers, then you right click, you come to sort, then you come down to custom sort. Now before we even do anything, you need to first make sure my data as header is not selected. Then you come to options. In the orientation, instead of sort top to bottom, you are sorting left to right. Then you click OK. Now you come to sort by, we are sorting by row 403. Let me first scroll this one down. That is the row that is having our players, because we are going to sort by players. Now we are going to sort on cell values. You click here, you click on custom list. I'm also going to scroll down to put it here. We want the first player to be Ogwang, comma, space, Chong, comma, space, followed by Uming, comma, space, and then Tile. So this is how we want our players to be sorted from left to right. You simply click add. Okay. Here also click OK. Except here we put it Wang, Chong, Ming, Tile. Yeah, that is it for this video. Custom list in Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video also with your friends so that they also get to know this. If you found it interesting and important, give it a thumb up, like it. Until next video, HM&S video number 16, and then we meet again. Thank you.